Hello students, how are you? Hope you are fine and healthy and enjoying your time. Now students, we had done first part of lesson number 12, work we do. I hope you understood that. Now students, in first part of the video we had seen some children were not going to school because they had to help their parents in their work. Like Rayaji's daughter Mamta was helping her father in delivering fruits and collecting money. A boy is working at the tea stall to earn money. In this video, second part of this lesson, we will know about a girl, Dipali, and also we will learn about the family members. We will tell about the family members and the work they do. Then we will also learn why some children do not go to school. We will get some information about that and express our views in this chapter at last. Okay, so let us start the lesson. Page number 85, household work. Let us start. Dipali is also one such girl who does not go to school. Let us read about her. Dipali is the eldest child in her family. Her father sells vegetables. He leaves for the mandi every early in the morning. Her mother washes utensils in some houses. She also leaves for work early in the morning. Dipali cooks food for her brothers and sisters. She cleans the house and also washes the utensils. She is very fond of listening to the radio. She listens to songs while she works. After finishing the work at home, she goes to drop her brother with their father. She then takes her younger sister Suman and Shaila to school. After that, Dipali helps her mother in her work. In the afternoon, she brings her brother and sisters back home. In the evening, she plays with other children in the neighborhood. Her mother comes back home at late in the evening. Dipali helps her mother cook dinner for the family. Her father comes home very late at night. At night, Dipali loves to lie in bed and read her sister's school books. She has studied up to class 3. So in this you have learnt about Dipali, how busy her life is. As the family is very poor, her father sells vegetables and mother works in some houses and washes utensils. So most of the work of her house has to be done by Dipali. She also cooks food and takes care of brothers and sisters. But she gets some time to listen to the radio because she is very fond of music, listening music. And she gets some time to play with neighborhood child in the evening. But again, when her mother comes back late in the evening, she helps her again in cooking dinner. But Dipali is very fond of reading also. She had studied up to class 3, but still as she can't go to school because of her brother and she has to take care of her brother and sister, but she is very fond of reading. So she when at night she lies in bed, she reads her sister's school books. Okay. 3 years back, when her little brother was born, she had to stay back home to take care of him. She could not study anymore. So why she could not study anymore? Because when his little brother was born, she had to stay back home to take care of her brother. She feels that reading books helps her to know the things. Now she is back to school and goes regularly. But now, as her brother has grown up, so she is back to school and goes regularly to school. Remember and write. First question is, what work does Dipali do in her own house? So just now we have learned what she does in her house. First, she cooks food, she cleans the house, she washes the utensils, takes her sister to school, helps her mother in her work, goes to drop her brother with their father. Question 2. Do you also do household work? If yes, what? Yes, I also do household work. Like I help my mother in cleaning the house, bring bread and milk for the breakfast, fill empty water bottles, keep my little brother's toys in place, help my grandmother in her puja, take cooked food from the kitchen for my grandparents. Third question. Besides household work, do you do any other work at home? If yes, what? No, I am not doing any other work because I am very small. So, no, apart from my household work, I do not do any work at home. Given below are some daily activities show on the face of the clocks. At what time of the day you do them? So some clocks are given here. Wake up in the morning. At what time you wake up? So if you wake up at 7 o'clock, you have to draw two hands, small hand for hour and big hand for minutes. Then go to school, 8 o'clock. Return from school, 2 o'clock. Sit down to study at home, 4 o'clock. Go to play, 6 o'clock. Sleep at night, 10 o'clock. So students, it is your homework, you have to draw hand. Which of your family members do household work? What work they do? तुम्हारे फैमिली का कौन सा मेंबर कौन सा घर का काम करता है? So let us start. Family member like mother. Work they do: cleans the house, cooks meals, washes clothes and takes care of the family members. Then father helps mother in bringing vegetables and fruits. Sister helps mother in cleaning the house. Brother brings fruits, milk, vegetables with father. Grandmother helps mother in cooking food. So you have seen all the family members are helping each other in house to do the household works. Same like that, in a family members also help to earn money. पैसे कमाने में भी help करते हैं. So which of your family members work to earn money? Family members like father, work they do, runs a business. Brother works in a bank. Grandfather works in a government office. Mother teaches in a school. Uncle runs a garment shop. So you can write your own answer also. I have written this. Now next is, which of your family members do work but do not get money for it? तुम्हारे कौन से फैमिली मेम्बर्स काम करते हैं लेकिन उनके लिए उनको कुछ मनी नहीं मिलता? सो माई मदर डज ऑल द हाउस होल्ड वर्क एंड माई सिस्टर helps her in doing so, but both of them do not get any money for it. Find out from your grandparents what work they did when they were children. So now students, time has changed. Our grandparents were when our grandparents were children, they had to do lot of works. But we are not doing that works that type of works nowadays. So which work they were doing? Like they were collecting cow dungs, making cow dung cakes, collecting wood from jungle, grazing cows, take care of small brothers and sisters, serve their elders. So these all works were done by our grandparents. क्योंकि उस समय काव डंग का बहुत यूज़ होता था, लोग गांव में रहते थे, गाय के गोबर का यूज़ करके वो केक्स बनाते थे, उपले बनाते थे और उससे उनका चूल्हा जलता था. सो दीज वर्क वर डन बाय देम. नाउ अ स्मॉल स्टोरी इज गिवन हियर. सरला आस्क्ड हर ग्रैंडमदर नानी द सेम क्वेश्चन. व्हाट क्वेश्चन? व्हाट वर्क दे डिड व्हेन दे वर चिल्ड्रन. तो नानी रिप्लाइड, व्हेन आई वॉज अ चाइल्ड आई वुड हेल्प माई एल्डर्स टू कलेक्ट फायरवुड. फायरवुड मीन्स आग जलाने के लिए लकड़ी इकट्ठी करते थे. मेक काव डंग केक्स एंड प्लास्टर वॉल्स विद काव डंग. बट नाउ वी हैव अ स्टव that works on gobar gas because they are living in a village, so they are using stove that works on gobar gas. The floor and the walls of our house are cemented. Their house is now pakka house, so walls are cemented. There is no need for Sarla to do some of the jobs that her grandmother did in her childhood. So as you have seen in this picture, I have shown you the cow dungs, cakes and firewood. Okay. Number 89. You had written about the work you do and the work done by your elders in their childhood. Is there a change? Students, I had given this answer, that work we do, and now we had learnt about the work done by our elders. You have seen some changes in that? Yes, we had seen. So I am giving this answer. Yes, we can see a lot of change. Children these days need not work a lot like the earlier days, like our elders. Most of the women are working these days. This answer I will send you in PDF. Next is Dipali had to leave school to do household work. Find out if there are any children in your neighborhood who are over 5 years and do not go to school. This is very simple answer. You can write any reason. Yes, like I have written, yes, a Mason family lives nearby my house and their children are not going to school. Next is leave this and this question is talk to any two children and find out why they do not go to school. So name of the first child that I have written is Rosa. Reason for not going to school is as her family is very poor, along with her family members she needs to work for living. This third point, leave. Next is name of the second child. The name of second child is Satyajit. Reason for not going to school, he is an orphan. For a living he needs to work at the tea stall. Okay, so third point, that is given what you like the most in the school, leave that point. We are not going to give that answer. So our lesson last question is also there. What will you do for these children so they come to school? कि आप ऐसे बच्चों को स्कूल लाने के लिए क्या करोगे? So we can give this answer. I will encourage them by telling different activities done in school and by explaining them the importance of education. Okay, this was the last question. Now students, listen to me. All the work textbook exercises I will send you in PDF that I have explained now. In workbook, many questions are there that are not related to our text. So we will not do that answers. Only 2-3 questions are there that I think we have to give, that are page number 102, question number 5 and 6. Only these two answers, workbook answers, I will send you in PDF. All other answers, like question number 12, answer the following questions briefly, page 101. All these questions are already there in textbook, so no need to write that all answers. Only this 5 and 6 answer I will send you in PDF. So don't write anything in workbook, only objectives you have to write. And at page 103, question number 12, strike out the wrong option, that activity you have to do. And next is hot questions that you have to do. Okay, so when I will send you PDF, you have to write all the answers that are given in PDF in your notebook. Don't write anything in your workbook. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can clear it by sending me messages. Okay, thank you.